I chose ARU because I wanted to make a difference to children's lives.
This course made sense for my pathway into teaching. After visiting an open day, I knew I wanted to be part of ARU.
The fabulous staff at ARU saw something in me that I didn't see in myself.
The support has been incredible. I worked with the student support team who helped me plan for assignment deadlines by breaking down tasks into smaller chunks to help me stay on track.
ARU completely changed the direction of my career. Everything was set up to support people like me who are juggling work, family and study.
I've presented research, advocated for change in early years nutrition at Parliament.
I'm ready to become a primary school teacher and eventually become a year group leader in Key Stage 1.
Walking across the stage with my family watching me meant everything. It showed my children and me that it's never too late. Now I'm a full-time teacher.
Do it. If that little voice tells you to apply, listen to it. If you jump, ARU will catch you.